BuySeasons is the world's largest online provider of Halloween costumes, party goods, and supplies. Their 300,000 square foot facility is located in New Berlin, Wisconsin. They employ 500 year-round associates and approximately 2,500 during their peak season of August through October. Having successfully worked with Babish Material Handling in the past, BuySeasons knew they could turn to Babish when their demands for a larger system arose in late 2009. The main objective of this larger system was to handle the increased volume in orders and to complete the project before the start of the Halloween rush in August. Chief Operating Officer Terry Rowinski says they couldn't be more pleased with their partnership with Babish.
At BuySeasons, we pretty much push our partners to deliver things just in the nick of time before we hit our busy season. We've been a partner with Babish for a number of years, from our infancy as an organization to where we're at today. Babish was given an extremely aggressive goal to essentially get a new system in, get it debugged, and get it working before we hit our peak, and they did that in an outstanding fashion.
BuySeasons' peak throughput rose by nearly 15% to 55,000 packages per day once the new system was implemented. This allowed BuySeasons to exceed their goals for 2010 and beyond.
We looked for a number of benefits coming out of the implementation of the new system. For our peak season, it was mainly being able to reduce headcount, also making sure that we could hit our seasonal peak volumes that we needed to end up doing, which we did this year, and we're going to look forward to doing in the years to come. But then also in off-season, allowing us to redeploy resources that were only part-time busy in the back of our operations and utilizing them better within the entire operation and keeping people gainfully employed.
The project goals were aggressive, but as DC Outbound Manager Dave Croft explains, Babish was able to complete the project on time and on budget.
Our timeline was very tight. We basically put a complete revision in, and from that point to the completion of the project was under 3 months. We are very seasonal, so we have a really critical timelines that they were able to match. Our goals were met. We increased our capacity to where we needed to go to meet our needs and be successful for our season.
Babish's design team works diligently to provide current, cost-effective solutions for their customers.
Babish has a very well-rounded design team that helps us and pushes our team in terms of ideas outside the proverbial box to try and supplement our operation and get better every year.
Babish's high level of support exists throughout the entire organization.
I love the service level that I get from Babish. It's very one-on-one, very personal. I've gotten to know the people quite well. They work well with me. It's been a successful relationship, partnership that we've had, and I've been working with them for the past 6 years.
Hearing the customers and understanding their needs is a top priority for Babish.
Babish has really taken a more collaborative and ground-up approach for us in terms of the designs that we've done, and then also their flexibility in terms of taking our feedback, really considering it versus just telling us, no, you should be doing it this way. So from an overall client perspective, Babish is a really good partner in the implementation compared to some other firms that we've worked with in our company's history that have been a little bit more demanding and more pushing the solution their way versus the client's way.
We worked with a couple other providers in the past. I really didn't care for their approach. They were very multi-team oriented, where we met with the sales staff, then we met with engineers, and we met with the actual installers. Where Babish, it was very consistent throughout the whole process. Everyone was involved one-on-one. It was a pleasure doing business with them.
Babish chose Hytrol as the conveyor supplier for this system, not only because of the high quality of their products, but also the level of service they provide. Hytrol's quality did not go unnoticed by BuySeasons.
Babish introduced our organization to Hytrol as a business partner, and also this year we ended up posting the executive management team here at Hytrol to kind of showcase the solution that was put in place. Hytrol as a vendor has been very good for us in terms of its solution and its cost effectiveness in terms of total cost of ownership so far. It's easy to maintain. Some of our folks are able to do it. If there's something very complex, Babish is able to locally secure parts in a very quick and efficient manner for us, and therefore keep our operation up and going.
The controls and systems software that Babish installed is designed to be extremely user-friendly. The graphical user interfaces allow operation teams to see what's going on and where, and debug any issues or errors that occur. The system is easy to maintain and highly scalable to meet BuySeasons' future needs.
Control systems are very easy to use, very easy to train. Almost any person can walk up and understand exactly what's going on in the conveyor system at any point in time. If there is an issue, there's a light or a warning that's letting people know exactly where it's at. And for us, that's very important because no downtime is allowed. and it's very reliable.
Both Babish and BuySeasons have enjoyed working together and look forward to strengthening their partnership as BuySeasons continues to grow.
Babish has been there with us over the past 3 or 4 years since I've been in this role within our organization to help us move forward in that direction. So as we continue our building expansion here in New Berlin and do other things, Babish is going to be with us 100% of the way.
Babish Material Handling Systems offers total commitment to serving their customers' needs. Contact Babish today and discover how a partnership with them can help your bottom line.